See the ocean from our tent. Good morning, folks. We had a really nice night last night, but as you can tell, it is a windy morning this morning. I'm not exactly sure how much more audio I'm going to be able to get on this film because it's so windy today, but we got some oatmeal made, boiled it up on my MSR stove, and we're just kind of chilling, relaxing around camp. We're going to enjoy our last day around camp and then hike on out. Wow, oh, this is cool. There's a vulture right there. Time for me to take a real assessment of how much water I have left. As I was saying on the hike out yesterday, water is crucial out here in Assateague because there's no fresh water available out here, so you gotta bring it all. Let's see just how much I have left. I brought out about 5 quarts. Looks like I have a little over 1 left. As long as I have a quart for the hike out, I should be good. Gotta stay fresh. It's fun to brush your teeth outdoors. Another thing I had to say about this particular trip to Assateague is there have been no bugs. I have not seen a single mosquito, tick, or black fly the entire time we've been here. The best I've ever seen it on this trip. This is amazing being here. Such a beautiful place. We're gonna try and make a little beach fire, maybe make a second breakfast, and just enjoy our day at the beach. Look at this view. One of the things I really love about Assateague is what a unique camping experience it is. For someone like myself who camps in the woods a lot, it's a totally different experience to be camping on the beach. There's no trees anywhere around, there's no fresh water anywhere around, epic views, just a completely different environment. That actually took a fair amount of screwing around with to get this fire going. A wind block and some tissues is what it took to get it going. I think I want to throw these bigger logs in now. Thing of beauty. Got everything put away. I have my pack right behind me here, ready to go. And then for the long hike out. Sad to leave, but I know we'll come back again. I have to say, this Wild Planet tuna is some of the best packaged tuna like this I've ever had. Big chunks of white meat. And for those of you paying attention, these are the chopsticks I made in my other video. Butter. Another surprisingly amazing product is this beet performer. I love beets, so I love this. But if you don't like beets, I don't recommend this beverage because it tastes a lot like beets. clouds up on the horizon, and we're just about done this hike. We'll be back to our cars in no time. I want to thank you guys for watching this unique backpacking experience, and keep an eye on my channel. I look forward to bringing you more cool videos soon. Thanks for watching. We hardly saw any ponies this whole trip, but apparently there was one here to say goodbye. See you later, Assateague. Hope to come back again real soon. Off they go to live in the woods.